Okay, well, here are brilliant tips for build a high quality tiny home on wheels for a couple to live in. Then for the first aspect is about the design and layout. We can optimize the space, use multifunctional furniture and built-in storage. Then we can consider about the couple friendly layout and design a layout that accommodates both partner and needs. And then for the private space, incorporate private areas for each partner, and shared space, create shared space for relaxation and socialization. Then for the second aspect is about the quality construction. Consider the durable materials. We can use high quality durable materials for construction. And about the energy efficiency, incorporate energy efficient system and appliance. And then for the insulation, it was very important. We can ensure proper insulation for temperature regulation. And for the third aspect is about the comfort and amenities. We can consider about the comfortable bedding. We can choose a comfortable bed and bedding, and assuage you to storage for clothes and incorporate ample storage for clothes and personal items. For the next point of it is about the kitchen essential, and we have to include essential kitchen appliance and the fixture. For the fourth aspect is about the technology and entertainment. I mean, it was important for our relaxation. We can consider about the smart home features, incorporate smart home features like automated lighting and temperature control. Then consider about the entertainment system, and we can add a sound system or TV for relaxation. Then for the fifth aspect is about the practical consideration. We can consider about the storage solution, incorporate creative storage solution, multifunctional furniture, use furniture that serves multiple purpose. And for the durable finishes, choose the durable finishes that withstand wear and tear. Then for the romantic touches, I mean, it was important for a couple. Then we can set for the cozy ambience, create a cozy ambience with lighting and textiles. Then for the personalized decor, we can add personalized touches like photos and artwork. Then for the third point of it is about the romantic space. Incorporate romantic spaces like a reading nook. Then for the another aspect is about the outdoor living. We can consider about the outdoor space. Create an outdoor space like a deck or patio. Then for the next point of it is about the outdoor furniture. We can choose comfortable outdoor furniture for relaxation. By following these tips, we can build a high quality tiny home on wheels that meets the needs of couples and provides a comfortable, romantic, and for the living space.